Good morning. Got the old red dragon out here. Getting ready to head to Beech. It's 10:45 in the morning. They start running at 12. Gonna meet Chase here, the local taco. He went and got alignment this morning and stuff, and he's gonna have to switch his tires over to his drag radial, so he had to put street tires on for his alignment. And we're gonna see what we can run. We've all made some changes this winter. I've got the positive displacement supercharger, the LSA, on my car, and he has the Torqstorm centrifugal supercharger. And both of us have the same cams, kind of same supporting mods. His is making more boost than mine, and he's gonna have a drag pack on. So let's go see what we can do. See if we can get by without breaking anything. Fingers crossed.
What did you get last time? 11.6?
You got switched over to the drag radials. He's not putting his skinnies on right now, but his other tires wasn't hooking too good. So we'll see what this does for him. I think I'm about done. I got a 11.6 today is my best. I've run several 11.7s and one 12.4. My two-step done something funny. It gauged way too low and then hung. So, but let's go see what he does. There he is. I think that matches his PB.
Really?
So unfortunately, after that run right there, Chase went up to get back in line to run again, and his car overheated on him. Called me and run over there. We got it cooled off enough to get the radiator cap off. Of course, fans and all were running. It cooled off, didn't have any pressure in the coolant system. We got the cap off. He started it and blew antifreeze everywhere. So apparently, not sure yet. We haven't dug into it, but lifted the head. It did cool off later. We went and got a trailer, and it was a nightmare. I didn't video any of it, but we couldn't get it up on the trailer and stuff. But it cooled off enough in the 2 hours it took to go get the trailer and come back to, I guess, set the head back down. He was able to drive it home. Just eased along, stayed out of the boost and all that kind of stuff, and it made it home. Of course, I followed him with the trailer, but I don't know how we got it on there. We couldn't get it on there at Beech Bend, so we're going to have to get that fixed here pretty soon. I mean, we're out here it was the first opening weekend for Beech Bend Test and Tune, so we're here in the middle of the season. We got to get it fixed quick. He did not put ARP head studs or bolts and LS9 head gaskets when he done his cam. So I don't know if that had something to do with it, but I think he's going to go ahead and do that this time. Fortunately, when I did mine, I went ahead and done that, so I'm glad I did. A little extra expense, but I think it was worth it. But thanks for watching. I'll finish out the video here with a bunch of other clips or some cool cars and stuff that ran, so I'll add them to it. So have a good one. for PB.